Marami tayong iba't ibang paraan kung paano tayo ma-motivate and matuto ng mas marami pa about tech. And that is why para sa akin, yung learnings natin should not only be limited if you are going to school, if you are, sabihin natin, self-studying ka or meron kang ibang mga classes or online class or kahit nagbo-bootcamp ka. What I mean is, as a student, and we will always be a student, is meron tayong iba't ibang way kung paano tayo matuto and also ma-motivate at the same time. Like kagaya sa akin, ang interest ko talaga is gusto kong makapasok sa tech industry, especially dun sa software development, web development, mobile application development, and also yung pinaka-popular ngayon guys, yung AI. Gusto ko matuto ng mga bagay na yan. I want to learn those things. So kahit na wala pa akong 1 year dito sa field na to, although I've been around technology pero yung mga hardware parts lang. Since I was 15 kasi nakapag-aral ako ng CSS, pero I never have the courage to jump sa mga software. So I just started. Pero as of now, meron akong perspective na yun nga, dun sa field na gusto ko, knowing how to code and to program is one thing. And staying relevant sa industry is another thing. With that being said, we are all aware that our learnings should always be consistent. Staying relevant in any kind of field para sa akin is it requires continuous learning. At din bumapasok yung iba't ibang way natin ng pagkatuto, diba? So most of us, pagkatapos natin makagraduate, whether from school or from bootcamp, is nagkakaroon na tayo ng mga self-study. And I'm pretty sure, even nga nung nandun pa tayo sa mga institutions natin, we are doing that. And as a beginner in this field, isa sa mga nakikita kong way para matuto tayo is we're going to attend yung mga huge tech events. Kaya nung nagsimulang tumaas yung interest ko sa technology nung nag-aaral na ako ng coding and programming, sana maka-attend ako sa mga huge tech events. Yan yung isa sa mga naging goal ko. Until one day, I receive And yes, I was exclusively invited to attend DevCon Pro Summit 2023. The experience was awesome. Bukod dun sa mga items na pwede mo i-avail, is meron ding iba't ibang mga tech booth kung saan pwede kang maka-experience ng mga technology nila and pwede kang mag-interact. And other than that, syempre, as a student, one of the most important thing para sa akin is yung learnings and information na pwede mong makuha. The learnings and information that you would get. And then I guess that's the moment you would also appreciate na it is also a way of learning things. So, hindi lang limited ka sa ibang mga bagay. If you're going to attend tech events, you will also learn. And then with that, I am pretty sure you're going to add that on the list. And of course, huge tech events can open up new opportunities. You'll get the chance to ask experts and professionals, meet people, and you can also build connections with like-minded individuals, which is something you don't get to do every time. So para sa akin, huge tech events is something you don't want to miss. So a huge thanks, first of all, to God for giving me the opportunity, and also I would like to thank DevCon Philippines for inviting me to attend their DevCon Pro Summit 2023. And as far as now, yun yung unang tech event na napuntahan ko. And I really do appreciate the invitation. And also guys, to make it memorable for me, as it was the very first time I attended a tech event. So I did this, diba? So ito yung ginawa ko kanina guys. So ayan, as you can see, I'm so far away from the mic. So ayan guys, tinabi ko yung t-shirt tsaka yung lace na ginamit ko. And then yung ID, yung media ng ID na nakalagay. Yan. So I will hang this dito sa my wall kasi I want this thing to be memorable kasi I am less than a year of being a content creator and this is the very first event na napuntahan ko. So I want this to be special. So that's it for this video, guys. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko at ano yung mga ginawa ko kahapon. Thank God for everything. And also, guys, I would like to thank all my viewers, mga subscribers natin, and followers for watching. Always, your time is so valuable, more than any kind of material wealth in this world. So every time you watch my video, I do appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you on my next vlog.